Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the TDP of your DELL Inspiron 3530 laptop. To check the TDP of your laptop, you're going to have to download the free software called CPU Z, which will read the data from your CPU and will tell you exactly how much TDP your CPU has. Or what's the value of the TDP for your CPU in watts. So let's open the search engine in our browser and search for CPU Z. Open CPU ID website. Then here select Setup and then click Download Now. Wait until the exe file is downloaded and then run it. Click Yes, and we can close the browser at this point. Accept the license agreement and click Next, Next, Next. If you want to create a desktop icon, make sure to hit this checkbox. Otherwise, just uncheck it and click Next, Install. Wait until it's installed, then finish. And then let's open this application. If you have it on your desktop, then open it from your desktop. Otherwise, go to All Applications in your Start menu and let's find CPU Z in here, in CPU ID folder. Click Yes and let the app read the data from your processor. And right here on the first page, we'll be able to see the max TDP value for our CPU. And in my case, it's 15 watts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.